Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from FOREX Traders. I'm here with a trade breakdown on how we managed to catch about 35 risk reward ratio on USD Swiss right here. So watch the rest of the video to actually find out. All right, great. So let me just show you here. This is our M&F premium signals group right here. Check. This is the trade that we were able to send as a signal. This trade was a 4 pip stop loss and a 150 pip target, right? So the overall trend was to the downside. So we saw the nice rally base drop supply zone with equal highs right there, which were taken out in price, giving us nice confirmation for entry right there. Very basic stuff. And this trade alone was about a 44 risk reward ratio. And now
A few moments later.
insane, right? Exactly my thought. This is just wild. So let's go to the higher time frame right here. So we always have to do our multiple time frame analysis. Very, very important. So on the higher time frame right here, we can clearly see that the trend has been to the downside for some time now. Okay, then you come here, we saw a really, really nice rally based drop supply zone. So when you have rally based drop supply zone characterized by big momentum candles like this, always tells us something. There's presence of smart money in the market. Okay, and what do? You go to the lower time frame and find the footprints of the smart money in the market. What is the footprint of the smart money in the market? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're looking for our order block. So in this case, we're looking for a bearish order block. Okay, so the bearish order block is the last bearish, that's the last bullish candle before the bearish move that caused the break of structure right there. So it's here. Okay, so this pin by here, this doji candle here is our last bullish candle before the bearish move. Therefore, that's our order block, right? So we mark that and we extend this to the right side. We extend this to the right side. And then so upon looking at this here, you can clearly see that we had a rally based drop supply zone, which broke structure right here. And then look, we had equal highs. So whenever we have equal highs like this, we're always anticipating a break of the equal high so that it can take out all the retail traders who are trying to sell here and grab that as liquidity. Okay, why was I expecting price to pull back here? So according to our concept, we expect when the market has changed direction like this by big momentum candles like that, we are not responsible for such movement. Only the smart money guys, the big guys, are responsible for such movement, and those guys cannot take all their orders at once. Therefore, they have to redistribute their orders, right? So the first orders were taken right here, price dropped, and then some of the orders still remained at that level, so the price has to go back to that level so that more of the unfulfilled orders are actually executed. And guess what? Price did exactly that, and we saw the market coming to this level there. Once the market started to react right there, we found our entry signal on the lower time frame, and we were able to send this as a signal 2 days ago. 2 days ago, right? And then 2 days later, this is where the market has reached, and this is a 1 to 35 risk reward ratio, about 120 pips. I mean, what other thing do you want, right? Like, this is a 35 risk reward ratio trade alone. This is absolutely insane. Like, this is really, really amazing. Like, there's no way you can fail to be profitable while using a system like this. There's no way you can fail to to be consistently profitable while following a strategy, a powerful strategy like ours. Like the guys in the private community, the guys in our M&F mastery course are really enjoying these trades right here. This was absolutely amazing. Trust me. Like a 1 to 35 risk reward ratio is not easy, guys. And the target is actually a 45 risk reward ratio, and we are almost there. And I just wanted to share these guys with you. Okay, so these are really beautiful trades, just like the previous video I just made on USO. That was absolutely amazing. So you guys, like, this is the best, one of the best strategies you're going to find out there, because look at this. Our stop loss was 4 pips, literally, actually about 3 pips, 3.4, which is just 4 pips, right? Really, you have a small stop loss, right? Which means you're able to use a much bigger lot size while risking the same amount. Okay, and because you use a stop loss, a small stop loss, you're going to be your setups are going to be invalidated very early, and you know whether the setup is actually going to go in your favor or not. Very important. And then our biggest edge is the risk to reward ratio. Like, there's no way you can be profitable with this strategy. Like, if you take one trade, if it goes in your favor, you can make up 45%. That's insane, right? That's our edge in the market. So make sure you join our private community. The first thing in the description gives you access to lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. So check out that link, the first thing in the description. And if you'd like to talk to us, there's a link there for our Telegram. Check it out. You guys, you are really missing out if you are not in our private community. No cap, guys. No cap. So make sure you join us so that you can be part of our M&F mastery, because we can clearly see that we have over 36 in our private community. Here are the signals, and then the mentorship we have about 33 right there. So join the community, guys. It's a very active community. Our mentees sharing their concepts and everything. I can clearly see people actually enjoying here, making profits and all that. So make sure that you are part of the private community and do all that. We have different people from different countries, so it's okay. Don't worry about it. All right. So guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, help a brother out. These videos deserve to be seen by a lot of people, right? A lot of people, because a lot of people out there are not profitable in the market. A lot of people out there have no strategy which actually works and has been back tested and forward tested and live tested, right? So these videos have to be seen by those people. So by you subscribing and liking the video, sharing the video with a friend helps us reach more people and help more people. You guys, thank you so much. Until next time, goodbye.